morning, guys. So today I'm gonna be just cleaning up the engine bay a little bit. Got a little something coming in today. I'm gonna be doing that install tomorrow, so make sure to check that out. So I'm gonna be using this thing, Cook Detailer. It was probably about like that full, and I just filled the rest with water, so it's pretty much just water. And then if I need to, I'm not sure if I will, got some of this like plastic restore for the black plastics that's under there, so might use that. I'm not too sure yet, but I'll give you a little before. It's not horribly dirty, but you can just kind of see there's just like that crap, you know. Get some of it cleaned up, because like I said, got a little something coming tomorrow. Pretty excited about it. Yeah. Alright guys, so it's actually, the valve cover is pretty nasty. Look at that. I'm gonna clean that up nice and good. Clean up some of the intake tubing. Just kind of go over everything. I'm not gonna get like super crazy detailed, but I want to clean it up a bit. Quick little after of all those plastic pieces. Turned out fairly well. I just used this, sprayed some water before, and then wiped them off, and then used this on it afterwards. Not too bad. And then just the engine bay. I didn't really worry about the intake manifold. I mean, it's pretty hard to get to. I'm gonna take a bunch of crap off to get to it. Other than that, I cleaned up okay. Here's the finished product. Like I said, I didn't go over it too much, but just a quick wipe down makes a huge difference. I think it looks way better. Alrighty guys, that's gonna do it for today. Just did a little quick wipe down of the engine bay in preparation for tomorrow. I got a little part coming in, just like I said earlier. So be sure to check that out as well. I think it came out pretty good. Just a quick little 10-minute job, nothing too crazy. I mean, makes a huge difference. So yeah, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys tomorrow.